clapperboard introduction, this documentary will explore the full history of the atomic bombs. Dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, we will learn why the United States created the bomb, what happened during World War II, how Japan fought, why the war was so long, and what led to the final decision to use nuclear weapons for the first time in human history. This video explains everything step by step, so anyone can understand the events clearly. White Medium Star Chapter 1. The World Before the Atomic Bomb. Before 1945, the world was in the middle of World War II, the largest and deadliest war ever. Many countries were fighting, including the United States, Japan, Germany, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and many more. Japan had become a strong military empire in Asia. It controlled Korea, parts of China, and many Pacific islands. Japan believed it needed to expand to survive and become a world power. This expansion caused many conflicts and battles. The United States was not involved in the war at first. But everything changed on December 7, 1941, when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, a U.S. naval base in Hawaii. This attack destroyed American ships and killed many soldiers. The next day, the United States declared war on Japan. From that moment, the Pacific War began. White Medium Star Chapter 2. Why Japan and the United States fought. The United States and Japan had very different goals. Japan wanted more land, more resources, a strong empire in Asia to remove Western influence. The United States wanted to stop Japan's expansion, to protect its allies, to defend the Pacific region. This conflict created many battles across the ocean, including the Battle of Midway, the Battle of Iwo Jima, and the Battle of Okinawa. As the war continued, both countries suffered heavy losses. Japan refused to surrender. They believed surrender was dishonorable, and many soldiers were ready to fight until death. The United States believed that invading Japan would take years and millions of lives. So American leaders started looking for another way to end the war faster. White Medium Star Chapter 3. The creation of the atomic bomb. In the early 1940s, scientists in the United States learned that Germany might be trying to build a powerful new weapon using nuclear energy. If Germany succeeded, the world would be in danger. So the U.S. government created a secret project called the Manhattan Project. This project cost billions of dollars and involved thousands of scientists, hidden laboratories, secret military bases. The goal was to build a new type of bomb that had never existed before, a weapon so powerful that one explosion could destroy an entire city. Scientists such as J. Robert Oppenheimer, Enrico Fermi, and many others worked day and night to understand how nuclear energy could be used to create an explosion. After years of research and experiments, they finally succeeded. White Medium Star Chapter 4. The first test, Trinity. On July 16, 1945, the United States tested the first atomic bomb in the desert of New Mexico. The test was called Trinity. When the bomb exploded, it created a huge fireball, a bright flash of light, and a massive shockwave. Scientists and soldiers watching from far away were shocked by its power. Some said the explosion looked like a rising sun. Others said it looked like the world had changed forever. Oppenheimer, the lead scientist, famously remembered a line, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." This test showed that the atomic bomb worked, and it was far stronger than anyone expected. Now the question was, should the United States use it in the war? White Medium Star Chapter 5. Why the United States decided to use the bomb. By summer 1945, Japan was losing the war, but would still not surrender. Many Japanese leaders wanted to fight until the end, even if the whole country was destroyed. American leaders believed that invading Japan would cost about $1 million. Million American lives, possibly millions of Japanese lives, they feared the war could continue for another year or more. They wanted a quick end. They thought the atomic bomb might shock Japan into surrendering immediately. President Harry Truman made the final decision: use the atomic bomb to force Japan to surrender and end the war. The targets chosen were Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world was about to change forever. White medium star. Chapter 6. Hiroshima, the first target. Hiroshima was an active Japanese city with schools, shops, and families starting their normal morning. It was also an important military center with soldiers, supply bases, and communication stations. Because of this, the United States selected Hiroshima as the first target. On the early morning of August 6, 1945, a B-29 bomber plane named Enola Gay took off from a U.S. air base. Inside, the plane was the world's first atomic bomb ever prepared for use in war. The bomb's code name was Little Boy. The crew was told only one thing: this weapon can end the war. At exactly 8:15 a.m., the bomb was released over the city. White medium star. Chapter 7. The explosion over Hiroshima a few seconds later. Little Boy detonated above Hiroshima. A blinding flash lit up the sky. A huge wave of heat moved outward instantly. A massive mushroom cloud rose high above the city. The temperature at the center of the blast was hotter than the surface of the sun. Buildings collapsed, windows shattered, and fires began everywhere. People miles away were pushed to the ground by the shock wave. In just a few seconds, Hiroshima went from a peaceful morning to a historical turning point. The world had witnessed the power of a new kind of weapon. White medium star. Chapter 8. Japan reacts to the attack. News of Hiroshima reached Tokyo, but many leaders refused to believe a single bomb caused such destruction. They suspected it was exaggerated, or some type of special chemical weapon. Some military leaders insisted Japan should continue fighting. They believed surrender was shameful and dishonorable. Others argued that Japan had almost no resources left and could not win. Even after Hiroshima, Japan still did not surrender. Because of this, the United States prepared a second atomic bomb. White medium star. Chapter 9. Nagasaki, the second bomb. On August 9, 1945, only 3 days after Hiroshima, another B-29 bomber took off carrying a second atomic bomb named Fat Man. The original target was the city of Kokura, but heavy clouds blocked visibility. The plane then turned toward the secondary target, Nagasaki. At 11:02 a.m., Fat Man exploded over Nagasaki. A bright flash, a powerful shockwave, and a rising mushroom cloud filled the sky. Factories, homes, and entire neighborhoods were destroyed instantly. The hills around Nagasaki trapped the blast, increasing the damage. Japan now realized the United States had more than one atomic bomb and could use them again. White medium star. Chapter 10. Japan's decision to surrender. After Nagasaki, Japan's leaders held emergency meetings. Some generals still wanted to fight. They believed a final battle on the home islands would protect Japan's honor. But Emperor Hirohito saw the truth. Continuing the war would destroy the entire nation. He made a rare and historic decision. He ordered Japan to accept peace. On August 15, 1945, the emperor addressed the Japanese people by radio. In his speech, he explained that Japan must surrender to protect its future. For the first time in history, Japan surrendered. World War II was ending. White medium star. Chapter 11. The end of World War II. On September 2, 1945, the official surrender took place aboard the American battleship USS Missouri, anchored in Tokyo Bay. Japanese representatives signed the documents, while American and Allied officers watched. The signatures confirmed that the war which had lasted almost 6 years, was finally over. Celebrations broke out across the world. Cities filled with people cheering, waving flags, and welcoming peace. But even in celebration, the world knew things had changed forever. Humanity had entered the nuclear age. White Medium Star, Chapter 12. Why the atomic bomb was so powerful. The atomic bomb was different from all other weapons before it. A normal bomb uses chemical reactions to explode. An atomic bomb uses nuclear fission, where atoms split and release unimaginable energy. This allowed one bomb to destroy an entire city, create extreme heat, produce deadly shock waves, release long-lasting radiation. This new technology shocked scientists, governments, and citizens worldwide. They realized humanity now had the power to destroy itself. White Medium Star, Chapter 13. The world's reaction. Countries around the world reacted with fear and disbelief. Scientists felt responsible and worried about the future. Politicians questioned how wars will be fought from now on. Ordinary people wondered if nuclear bombs would ever be used again. A new global conflict soon began. The Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. Each side started building more nuclear weapons. The world was suddenly filled with tension, fear, and uncertainty. Humanity had stepped into a new era, one where peace